So good morning. I am Tanveer from BCA-IBM third semester at GNS University. I am here to present my PPT on data flow diagram submitted to Mr.Arup Kadia sir. Agenda. First is define data flow diagram, components and purpose. Second, identify process and data movement involved. Third, illustrate data from with example diagram. Fourth, analyze system requirements through DFD'S. Fifth, apply DFD'S for process optimization technique. Sixth, review best practices for effective DVDs. Importance of data flow diagram, visualization, clarity, efficiency, documentation. Overview of data flow diagram. System analysis. Data flow diagrams are used in system analysis to identify how data moves through a system, helping to clarify requirements and improve efficiency. Process modeling. By visualizing the flow of data, data flow diagram assist in process modeling, ensuring all stakeholders understand how data is processed and managed. Software development. In software development, data flow diagram facilitate communication among developers, designers, and clients, ensuring a shared understanding of the system's functionality. Types of data flow diagram. Description, purpose, example, complexity. In level 0, description is overview of system. Purpose is high level view. Example is context diagram. Complexity is simple. Level 1, description is breakdown of components. Purpose is intermediate details. Example is process 1, and complexity is moderate. In level 2, description is detailed process flow. Purpose is specific step. Example process 2, complexity complex. Level 3, description is sub process detail. Purpose is in-depth understanding. Example process 3, complexity very complex. Highlights: clear visualization, improved communication, and system approach. Creating your first DFD. Action, timeline, impact, status. Identify process, data source, define data flow, review diagram. And you can use design tools like Visio, Lookit Chart, Draw.io, Smart Draw. Identifying process flow. Identify inputs. First, determine the necessary input for the process. Second, define outputs. Understood. Please provide the text you would like to translate. Third, map process. Visualize how data moves through each process. Fourth, review stakeholders. Identify individual affected by the data flow. Fifth, data storage. Evaluate where data is stored and managed effectively. 6. Validate flow. Ensure all process flow are accurate and complete. Flow chart. Drawing data flow and source. Start process. Valid. It is valid or no. Yes and no. Stop process. Continue process. And the end. Common pitfall to avoid. Real world application of DFDs. Problem faced. Complex system lead to inefficient processes. Solution of our data flow diagram provide clear system visualization. Benefits: enhance communication among stakeholders in projects. Approach: identify, determine the key process within the system. Map: create a flowchart representing data movement. Analyze: examine the diagram for potential improvement. Validate: ensure accuracy with stakeholder feedback. Best practice for using DFDs: ensure clarity in symbol definition for accurate communication, maintain consistency across different diagrams for better understanding, limit the complexity to avoid overwhelming stakeholders with detail, regularly update DFDs to reflect system change and enhancement. Adoption trend grow in DFD usage across software engineering project. Industry demand increasing demand for clear documentation in software development. Tool availability emergence of various tools facilitating DFDs creation and sharing. Training resources availability of online courses focused on DFD methodologies. Tools for creating DFDs. Visual Paradiagram, a comprehensive tool for designing, analyzing, and documenting DFDs with intuitive interface and templates. Liquid Chart, an online diagramming application that allows teams to collaborate and create DFDs easily in a visual format. Draw.io, a free tool that enables user to create data flow diagram quickly using drag and drop functionalities. Microsoft Visio, a popular diagramming application that provides advanced features for drawing complex data flow diagram. Conclusion and next step. Understand DFD fundamental data flow diagram help in visualizing system process effectively. Layer design approach using level in DFD can simplify complex processes into manageable sections. Utilize appropriate tools. Employing tools help in creating clear and understandable data flow diagram. Identify data source. Recognizing source of data is crucial for accurate modeling. Validate with stakeholder. Continuous validation ensure that DFD meets user requirements accurately. Literate and refine DFDs. Regular update and refinements keep DFDs relevant and useful. Thank you so much.